To send Bitcoin to Electrum, you first need to understand what Electrum is. Electrum is a popular Bitcoin wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive Bitcoin. It is known for its simplicity, security, and speed. The first step is to download and install the Electrum wallet on your computer or mobile device. Once installed, you will need to create a new wallet or restore an existing one. To create a new wallet, click on the Create New Wallet option and follow the instructions. You will be asked to choose a wallet type, such as standard or multisig, and then create a password. After creating your wallet, you will need to get your receiving address. To do this, click on the Receive tab in the Electrum wallet and you will see your Bitcoin address. You can also generate a new address if needed. Now that you have your receiving address, you can send Bitcoin to it from another wallet or exchange. To do this, open the wallet or exchange where you currently have your Bitcoin and click on the Send option. Enter the receiving address from your Electrum wallet and the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Before sending, make sure to double-check the address to avoid any mistakes. It is also a good idea to set a low fee to save on transaction costs. But keep in mind that this may slow down the transaction time. Once you have entered the address and amount, click on the Send button to confirm the transaction. The Bitcoin will then be sent to your Electrum wallet and will be available once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain. It is also important to keep your wallet and computer or mobile device secure to protect your Bitcoin from theft or loss. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your wallet and device up to date. In conclusion, sending Bitcoin to Electrum is a straightforward process that requires creating an Electrum wallet, getting your receiving address, and sending the Bitcoin from another wallet or exchange. By following these steps and taking the necessary security precautions, you can safely and securely send and store your Bitcoin in Electrum.